Tapfumaneyi remained as the CIO co-deputy director general until June last year, after which he was promoted to Major General and appointed Chief of Staff, General Staff in ZNA. In November last year, he was appointed Lieutenant General ZNA Commander, replacing General Emmanuel Matatu, who had become ZDF Commander. Matatu had taken over from retired General of Fleet Baloyi Swanda. Salabena mashuko bdanyu kwa pangwa ine ajinzi continue from below. That was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibna mnamu bdanyu kwa mchinzi. Before that, Matatu had been appointed ZNA Commander in the run up to March 31 events last year to replace Lieutenant General Anselm Sanyatwe, now Sports Minister, was removed amid fears of Blessed Gesa inspired anti-government uprising and coup, which floated as Mnangagwa seized the levers of state power and took control of the army. Chiwenga's leverage, he turned to his own Mr. Fix-It, Tapfumaneyi, to fix the Baloyi problem. Tapfumaneyi had previously fixed the 2023 election conundrum for Mnangagwa through forever sources of Zimbabwe first, a shadow structure that oppressed and manipulated the running of the polls. The consequential Baloyi removal is further loosened Chiwenga's grip on the army and emasculated him, badly damaging his presidential bid. Mnangagwa has made a series of changes in the army, police and intelligence to consolidate power, and thwart Chiwenga was behind his ascendance in 2017. The local political landscape has dramatically been defined by subtle yet ruthless maneuvering within the highest echelons of the ruling ZANU-PF military apparatus. The removal of Baloyi from a influential position in military intelligence to the largely symbolic commander's post is a calculated move and severe blow to Chiwenga's institutional and residual influence within the secret forces. This signifies a crucial power shift, signaling that Mnangagwa was actively eroding the military intelligence capabilities that once secured Chiwenga's influence, as the two former allies maneuver for ultimate control of Zimbabwe's future. Baloyi see hitherto strategically placed military officer held a key position within military intelligence, giving Chiwenga a vantage point to launch an assault on Mnangagwa from within. Her role was not merely administrative. As Chiwenga's wife, she represented a direct, high-level and strategic link between her husband, inner workings of military surveillance and politics. A shift to commander's post, a wide impunity for officers without specific active duties, is widely seen as a soft demotion or a strategic sidelining. Sources say the move was not a simple administrative adjustment, but rather a targeted action following public pressure. Normal developments are towards the firing or the removal of many Baloyi. Pinem conversation methods of Mre Emotuli Bamsel Page. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.